Okay, so I'm going to start collaging my Pompeii mosaic style snake. So I have different colors out in front of me, and they're just random little pieces. So let's say I decide to do this section. I'm going to do this a purple stripe. So I grabbed a purple piece, and I'm going to tear off a piece I think I can use. Okay? I'm going to take my glue, and I'm going to make sure it's out enough to use, and it is. If I needed to use more, I would twist it. I'm never going to twist it till a ton comes out. I want just a tiny bit out. I don't need a lot. And I don't want it all over my paper. I'm just going to put exactly what I want to use, and then I'm going to use it. So we're not going to make a mess with the glue. We're not going to put more than we need. If you put a ton, it's just going to dry before you use it. If I'm not using the glue, I'm going to close it and make sure the lid snaps on. If it's out crazy, it's going to mess up the lid. So make sure you've twisted it down, and you can close it. And so I'll keep doing that. And if I want to tear a few and kind of arrange them, I can do that until I'm ready to glue. But I'm not going to just tear a giant pile for no reason. I'm going to tear a few that I know I can use, and then I'm going to use my glue. I don't need you to make big piles of mess that you don't know you're going to use or not. Tear the actual pieces you want to use, and then use them. Okay, so I'm going to keep doing that until I do my whole snake and all my little background pieces. Okay. So, do his little eyes. On the piece or on the paper, whatever you need. Remember, you don't need a ton of glue, and you only put the glue where you actually want it. You don't just put it all over. And when you're not using it, you twist it till it's down, and you put the lid back on. There is my Pompeii inspired collage of a snake. Notice that I didn't make any papers coming off the sides. The edges are still nice and neat. I didn't put a ton of glue. You can see if places where I had a little too much glue, it kind of changed the color of the paper. So it'll be really obvious if you put a ton of glue and you don't put it where you want it. Okay? Alright guys, have fun.